Yay, is it in? Oh wait, you don't even see me. Let's find out. Here I am. Oh man. Okay. Well, that finally worked. Now I can plan these ahead of time. All right, let me find my spot. I picked a bad time, but you guys, my voice is gone. My headset went out. Um, everybody's streaming right now. But if you come join me, I'll be super happy. Anyway, I got to use this microphone. I'll try to use the better microphone when it's done charging. We'll see. I've got some core. I've got some body cam. I've got some things to fix. Oh crap! Did I hit the play button? All right, let's fix some things real quick. You know, I'll fix them as we go. Anyway, I caught this video as it was going, and I was like, I'm gonna beat Mike to it. I know I'm gonna, and then I didn't beat Mike to it. So then I recorded it. I came back to it later, and then I found out I recorded it without volume. So we're just gonna stream it from the website. Let me make sure all the ducks are still ducks. Oh, wait, hang on. I think I already figured that part out. Ducks are ducks. Ducks are ducks. Oh God, where did Oh my God, I was on mute the whole freaking time. Somebody actually sent this to me, and it just decided to play on its own. Oh wait, no, I might have hit play.
You may be seated.
But then I recorded it, and then I recorded it without volume, and then I had a bunch of issues. So we're just gonna watch it live from the website. I thought it was hilarious because this lady just kind of contradicts everything she does on her. Well, you'll see. You already saw it, but I'm gonna play it again. Where did my chat go? Oh, weird. It's really teeny tiny.
Court does call the case of the people versus Esther Faber.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Ms. Capper. Ms. Capper, please state your name for the record.
Esther Capper.
We're requesting an adjournment. I'm hoping to get some more mitigation information over to the people.
September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Okay, I was a little ahead. It's definitely the one right after this.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case of the people versus Alexis Brown.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
She's starting off strong. She wants to represent herself. I wonder why.
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So In this matter, Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation, in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court.
All right, let's see how many times she's going to say something or do something that she wouldn't have otherwise done if she had an attorney on her behalf.
Will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
One.
I'm sorry.
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you.
I served 30 days already.
She needs some major grammar school. Grammar camp, summer camp. It's still summer.
And if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount? 5,000, 10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights.
Okay, attention. They just told her what her bond is. Now, there's probably a pinball machine going through her head right now. They just told her what her bond is.
So ain't that against the law that you wasn't heard your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that.
She just had a whole conversation with herself. He's basically saying, I can't answer these questions. This is what her freaking attorney's for.
can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
And what's the point in stating something for the record in this scenario? I mean, it's basically saying whatever I think is true at this point is going to go on the record. The earth is flat. The sky is purple.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do you want this set for, ma'am?
I mean, Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. I guess.
She's like, they arrested me and they didn't read me my Miranda rights. I don't need a lawyer. I just have to go and tell them that they didn't read me my rights. And then they'll just let me go home. She didn't count on anything that happened after that.
Want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond.
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, man.
You gotta pay your freaking bond. I forgot the attorney question count. Let's just round it up to 6 for now.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond,
She didn't say it was no bond. She said it was 5,000, 10%.
you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
I often think, who's my favorite judge? And usually when I think about Simpson, I try to think of reasons why he wouldn't be my favorite judge, but I think he's the man. And I think it's this next part is the reason why I like him so much.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by Kearney. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And...
This-
Okay, let's try this one.
Oh, he just answered my next question. Okay, I'm gonna let this roll for a minute, and you'll see what I mean by that.
Court calls the case People versus Deja McCoy. Is she here? Oh,
Brandon Center, Your Honor. Actually, she was here when I was walking out, Your Honor.
how come you didn't come back? You guys got to switch sides.
Sorry about
How come you didn't come back?
I came back, but you was gone. I figured you
I have
left the
been
bench.
here.
I
Don't
figured,
say
I figured you left the bench. I
Why
figured
didn't you
left
come
the
back?
bench.
The client was here.
When I was
And the
going
things
out,
he was saying about you, I was defending you. I want you to.
I was saying dismiss.
He was, I think, making. Okay. Reality is, I think you were making your decision because you wanted McDonald's, and you kept saying she wasn't here. That's why you didn't come back down the hallway. Isn't that right, Bert?
No, that's. No, I'm talking about when I was walking outside. We crossed each other's path.
Outside, you weren't going to turn around.
Oh no, I wouldn't have did nothing like
You
that.
had McDonald's on your mind.
I would have got Coney. I had Coney on my mind. For real, but I had to stay there. Didn't have time for it.
Okay.
But yes, Your Honor, Brandon Bird on behalf of.
Yeah, so there's this different part of the case where they just went on this whole McDonald's thing, and when I went back to find it because I heard it, couldn't find it, but I went after this. I didn't realize it was before this. So is it worth it? Well, nobody's in here right now. So why not? Let's see if I can find. I think it's the same. It's either the same defendant or the same attorney. But I won't spend too much time. Let's see. Oh, I think I just saw him. Maybe. Oh, let's keep it on play.
But operating while visibly impaired second, and I did discuss that with my.
Here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case People versus Deaja
He's right
McCoy.
Okay, maybe this is it.
Alexander on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
And yes, Your Honor, Brandon Bird on behalf of Deaja McCoy. Respectfully, Your Honor, I did. You notice I tried to walk up slow.
Yes, I did. I did. They're going to take all day. Right?
I was trying to buy myself 5-10 minutes. My client did say she was about 5 minutes out when I just stepped out.
How long ago was that?
About
Half an hour.
Minute and a half ago.
Oh, right.
No, right when I stepped out and came
You
back.
were in here a minute and a half. She didn't tell you.
That's when I came. You seen me go out and come in. I've been here about 72 seconds. Maybe
72
93 seconds or so. She did.
So she told you she'd be here in 5 minutes.
Yep, she said she was 5 minutes out trying.
Okay, was that a real 5 minutes or how soon you gonna be here? Give me 5 minutes.
I know about 22 minutes ago she told me 20.
Okay.
But I heard her in the car. I heard. the
I'm
car.
done. Third, I'm done. I'm done. I'll pass it. We'll call it up at the beginning of the next block.
Okay, when's the next block start? Yeah.
Your client is not here,
Oh,
and
no,
now you're gonna like pressure me for when does it start?
I just wanted to know if I had
We're
time for breakfast.
inconveniencing your day?
No, I just wanted to know if I had time for breakfast, that's all.
Well, what kind of breakfast you gonna have?
McDonald's.
Go, because I've seen you when you don't eat, and it's gonna be a mess. All right?
All right, thank you,
Okay,
John.
you'll have enough time.
Appreciate it.
If he goes to the McDonald's in Canton, I'm sending police. There are 2 McDonald's within like 3 minutes of here.
Left, right out here.
You can go left or right.
Okay. Okay, I'll go either one, right?
Well, there are 3 right around here.
Gotcha.
Okay?
All right. No,
Don't get lost.
I won't.
Okay.
Thanks.
What are you gonna get?
Sausage, egg, and cheese, combo, add biscuit, egg, and cheese.
Wow. Okay, enjoy. I want that too.
Hey, Alex. I'm having some technical difficulties. Why can I only? Oh, okay. So you can kind of see your chat up there. Interesting. Yeah, I like Simpson. I keep trying to think of who my favorite judge is, and I think he might be my favorite judge, but I think it's because all this side conversation stuff. I think this part's over. Let me see if he gets through the door.
So, that's a lot he's gonna eat. Gotta come back here napping. Have we been able to get through to Muhammad?
Received a response from.
Okay, there you have it. I got lucky on that one. I'm sure you just got here, Alex. But I couldn't find where this McDonald's part was in the stream, and then I found it. Frankly, I think McDonald's is absolutely disgusting. But sometimes, you're just hungry. But I do like their breakfast. I'm not gonna lie. Although I try to make my own egg McMuffins at home. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there's a lot of man. I don't like this little chat box. I think it'll look better when there's a bunch of chats stacked on top of each other, but I think I'm gonna go back to the old one. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, people don't like him because yeah, they've got weirdly good Coke too. Actually, there's a whole documentary on McDonald's Coke. But yeah, we got weirdly good Coke. I don't drink as much soda as I used to though. It's like a once a week type of thing, but I drink a lot of energy drinks. Um, I don't like anything after breakfast either. So it is what it is. I mean, I've got 1,500 McDonald's around me. Every once in a while, I end up there, and I always regret it. But I go there more often than I do Taco Bell. I do Taco Bell like once a year. So I'm just not a fast food person. I'll do fast food like sandwiches. It doesn't matter where it's from, Subway, Jimmy John's, Jersey Mike's, McCormick's, or whatever it's called, but um, not so much burgers. Okay. This is the only court I have, which is good for me because my lane is more body cam anyway. So I like Collins and I know Mike already did this video. I don't think he did the McDonald's part. And I'm sure Usul and Colin will probably play the same video later. So let's go over to the body cam. And I really want my other headset to get done charging because it's awkward talking in this mic because I know this mic kind of sucks. Okay, what do I have? Oh, I got to change some things around. All right, let's get rid of Simpson. Let's find my videos. I think I might double up on this Simpson thing. Hey, Edie. Is it really only going to show one tiny little chat at a time? Oh, that's a weird spot for it. Okay. I'll just leave it there for now, and then I'll mess with it later. Wait, where'd it go? Maybe if I make it bigger. That's what she said. Okay. No, I don't want to. I didn't mean to do that. Hang on. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. There's no sound on purpose, in case you're wondering. I'm just messing with something. Yeah, Mike really inspired this channel. He definitely inspired the name of the channel. It's been hard to keep up with him lately. I think I think that's all I'll say about that. Let me see here. Okay, so I've got some body cam. I don't remember what order I put this in. Let's find out. So, and this is, so I tried to record what I just played earlier today and I accidentally recorded it without volume. That's why I just played it on the web browser. Okay, so it might get really loud all of a sudden, just as a heads up. Fair warning, the videos are much louder than my voice, and it's going to happen quickly. Okay, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah, I mean, you have an issue with the scanning machine?
No, I went to the regular register and she scanned me out with the regular register.
Okay.
I didn't have an issue. She fixed it for me.
Who'd you come with?
Why does that matter?
Because there's two of you guys. That's
yeah, because she.
Yeah, but the frustrating thing is that he used to say grammar school, now he's saying grammar camp. I'm like, dude, not cool.
He came and brought me the rest of the money.
Yeah, so who'd you come with?
Oh, real quick, how old do you think, in the chat, how old do you think this lady is? This girl, either or.
She brought me the rest of the money. Do you want to come talk to the lady that checked me out?
No, I want you to answer my question.
Let's go talk to the lady that checked me out, please, because I didn't
We'll get there.
take anything.
We'll get
I
there.
just literally had to go to the
Who'd you
second
come with?
register, and she helped me with the second register.
Who'd you come with?
Like, the person helped me at the regular register.
We'll get there.
Why does that matter?
Because you need to answer my question. So
Like, it's my friend. She has to go to her kids today. It's her kid's birthday today. That's the reason why I came here. Can we come talk to the register? Because she's literally just helped me through the register. I don't see what the problem is.
Alright, so you can walk with this officer. We're going to go back in the store. I'm going to grab your shopping cart. Cool?
What?
We're going to go down there. We're going to go talk and figure it out if you scanned everything and paid for everything.
And then, hold on, slow down.
I'm going to find the lady.
No, we're going to go right here.
I'm going to find the lady.
No, you're going to come over here. Come over here now.
I can't ask the lady that just helped me at the register.
We're going to go right here and talk to them. Let's go. We're trying to be cool with you. Come on.
Look, here she is right there.
No.
Excuse me. Can you please tell the officer that you helped me through this register? Yeah. Everything was fine, right? Yeah, she paid.
Yeah.
She paid for everything.
Okay, we got to talk to somebody over here, and then we'll get things sorted out.
I have to go to 2 different registers.
I don't know. I think if it goes really fast, it kind of lines up on that left side. As far as like helping the channel goes, I don't know. I think maybe they kind of, YouTube kind of rates everything, but you know, I think I'm gonna change it back to the original pop-up though after this. I might even do a midstream. I have a lot of videos.
I know. No, you did. I was watching you the whole time. It's okay. So then what's the problem? You didn't pay. What do you mean I didn't pay? Yeah. So gift pack is probably going to be these. The water at the bottom, and then Wonder Shop is going to be this bag. Yep.
And the ones you didn't pay for is
all these. This bath mat. Dude, I got the Legos at the first one. I got the Legos at the first register. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. And she finished helping me scan me out.
Where's the receipt for that?
I don't know. It's probably there still. If you go look.
Why do you have a receipt for this and not have the receipt for the Lego?
Because I had to go to 2 different registers.
Alright. What else? We're going to go in here, alright?
I'm not going in there. Yo, can I have the stuff that I'm not going in there. What the f, dude? I didn't do anything wrong. What are you doing? Get your hands off of me. I didn't do anything to you. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get them off of me. I didn't do anything. I paid for this stuff. Get them off of me. Get off of me. I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission. I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission. I'm only 13 years old. I'm only a 13-year-old. Dude, I'm literally only 13 years old, bro. You can't do this. Can I call my parents?
You can in a second. Sit down.
Because my parents won't live. Like, they're not here, and you can't.
Okay.
You can't do this to
Well,
me.
we can. 'Cause you committed a crime. So knock it off.
Not if I'm only 13 years old. I'm underage. I'm underage.
Okay. Is your ID in your purse?
No, it's not.
Where is it?
I don't have it.
So you're not underage then?
Can I just take the stuff I paid for and leave? No.
No, we're beyond that.
You told me to be cool with you.
We would have been doing that if you were cool. And then
How
I
is
put
that
that
being
outside the door.
cool, yo? Like, what the?
Oh, man.
Like the lady that just told you that she helped me scan everything out. She just told you that.
She helped you scan for the things that you paid for, yeah.
What's the car she was out with?
It's gonna be this purple Scion that's sitting right out here. So if you go
Dude,
out
she
our
literally has to go
stores,
pick up her kids, bro. She
our
literally,
drive-up
it's her kid's
section is
birthday
right
today.
here, and it's just right
And
across.
she has to go pick them up.
So she's behind a silver Tacoma.
And she literally has to go pick up her kids that are like little kids.
Can we get an estimate on what
Yeah.
you pay for? Where's that sign out?
It's
Mm,
closer to Elvis.
the 28 matches.
Hello, did you come with a
My friend?
friend?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. You're not in trouble, but obviously she's in trouble. I mean, I guess she shopped right there. But what is her name?
I don't answer questions. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna answer.
Okay, need your identification because she
Okay,
actually.
that chat's better. Is she actually 13 or is she lying? Well, that's why I asked that earlier, but I've got a feeling she's got some people around her that tell her that she looks like she's 13. But she's not. There's no way she's 13.
Went in there. Hey, and you guys both came together? Huh?
I went to the store to pick up her money.
I'm not asking if you went in the store. I'm asking if you guys both came together.
So there's my driver's license.
It's a yes or no.
I don't
There's
answer
cameras.
questions, sir. There's fine, and that's fine. You can see on camera then that I
You
came
are
into
so
the
being
store.
uncooperative right now. Why is that?
I just
I'm
gave you
trying to
my
be
ID.
cool with you, but you give me a hard time.
But sir, I don't answer questions. See, then I'll just be stopped. I gave you my ID. Is there anything else I can provide you with you want my insurance and registration? I do have that.
No, this is not a traffic stop. This is a criminal offense investigation, okay?
Okay.
So you can sit there. If you're not going to answer a question, then shush.
I will, and I will.
2023. That makes you 21. Get your facts straight.
Dude, I want to go. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Math is hard when you're put on the spot. She's like, she guessed the year on 13 was off by 8.
Top of that,
Please leave me alone! Please let me go off!
And that's why you should never run with cuffs on.
Don't stop! Where's the phone? I'm just 911. Please! I'm just gonna stop! Stop! I've never been to jail! Stop! I've never been to jail, please! Stop! I don't know if I'm just never been to jail, please stop! Please leave me alone, please! Nick, help me! Nick, help me! Please!
Got it? Unless you want to be involved, go to your vehicle.
I'm a little kid!
First leave on it.
It's like not going through.
Yeah, first leave on it.
Oh God, I'm sorry. She is so loud. How does she think that possibly could have worked? Well, she picked 13. She could have said 16 or 7. She picked 13. So I'm guessing a lot of things don't really work the way that they're supposed to in her head.
I promise you, you need to.
So the only reason I asked is because we need to know who she is, because we don't want to burg her and charge her for concealing identity. So I just need to find out who she is, because she's going to go to jail for concealing identity, and we don't need to go that route.
I think that's her though, right? Not technically, like, you know what I mean? That would be up to her, if anything, right? Not me.
Yeah, I mean, if you're a friend,
If
I
she
mean,
feels
obviously
like-
a friend, we're going to help her out
if
to
she
not
feels
go
like
that route.
she feels like that's what, that's up to her, like,
That's my girlfriend, dude. Like, they tackled her.
that was Smoker they tackled?
Yeah, dude. I don't know what she was trying to do, dude. Cool.
Well, she
My
got, they're
girlfriend.
saying that she got locked.
Did he say that was his girlfriend?
They're saying she shoplifted.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me, dude?
Wait, you know her?
Yeah, that's my girlfriend.
The one that's in the plate?
Yeah, the girl that was outside. I was like walking up like,
Of course.
"Oh, what the f-"
Okay, so you guys all came together?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Please pay for the stuff! Oh my god, you're hurting me!
Stand up. Act like an adult. Stand up.
Okay, so I was watching Biggins' channel one day, and somebody made a comment about male cuffs versus female cuffs. The cuffs that they just put on her are the only. I've never seen them put those cuffs on a male before. Only females. I think it probably has more to do with the size of the person. I imagine she's pretty tiny than the gender, but I've never seen those cuffs go on a dude.
This car right here. Go. Nobody even said you're going to jail. Cut the shit off. Stand right there. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
You said I could pay for it. I'll pay for all this stuff. Can I please pay for it?
Do you have anything hidden on you?
Can I please pay for it?
Huh?
No.
Okay.
Can I please pay for this stuff?
Quit moving your hands.
I'll pay for it. Please run it out. I'll pay for it, please. Can I pay for the stuff, please?
We'll get there. Get in the car.
Please, can I buy it, please?
Sit down. Put your feet in now.
No, buy it for it. I'll pay for it,
Go.
please. I
Watch
have
your
the
feet.
money to pay for it.
Watch your feet.
Please, can I please?
I've never tackled anyone. That was cool.
I was laughing because I'm like, she's really 13? Damn.
I know what kind of skincare, right?
That girl was laughing. I was like, did you see her? She got her. And I was like, I was watching her.
You have your ID? Is there two people in this car?
Yeah.
Who's the other one?
Boyfriend. And that's how I got
Is that the one that was running up there? Okay.
set to 27. Are you good? You okay?
Yeah.
She's gonna have 55, but she hasn't even compared injuries.
Are you hurt at all? What's hurting? Her face. I'll start it.
Must
Is it a use of force?
55 is on the way? Because she has some kind of injury. You okay though? I'll have EMS check you out and go
Huh? You didn't use force?
Sorry, what? The car.
Oh, you didn't use force?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that's fine. I just, because when you called out, I was like, I didn't know who you were with. I was like, oh, shoot. I didn't know who you were with.
The stuff she paid for, do you want me to just return it and get the cash back?
Did she pay with cash?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then her bag's still in there with you?
Yeah, I'll bring it out.
I'll go get it.
Oh, okay.
Was I mute on that last part? Did they play? Did they show the replay on the store camera? In case I probably already said it. If not, I accidentally muted myself.
We're gonna need the video of the
No problem.
of the incident.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. Just because this video is pretty funny. Okay, one more.
We're gonna need the video of the
No problem.
of the incident.
Okay, here we go. Ready? She just sits on her. It's awesome.
Just sit on her.
Oh god, she said the same thing. Okay.
I didn't even know. Did I know you were there?
YouTubing is hard. Oh yeah, by the way, I think I said this yesterday, but I bought a whole new streaming service and it just doesn't work the way I need it to, so I kind of had to tear everything down and start from scratch again. So I'm back into figuring it out mode.
I don't think so. You were trying to get her. Yeah, because this lady, she was like, I don't think she's 13. And I was like, no. And then her boyfriend, I was like, oh my gosh.
She was like, I'm underage. I was born in 2002. I'm like, it's 2023.
Oh my gosh.
Do you have a bag? Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. Yeah, no worries. It hasn't been a month. Nice. She just had a felony warrant for possession too.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Munoz. We're gonna get you out and we're gonna take you pictures real quick, okay? So, we've already had one incident, we don't want another, okay?
I swear I won't.
Okay, thank you.
I'm so sorry.
I appreciate you.
I'm so sorry.
Let's keep it. Where do you want?
Let's go ahead and use the wall as I'm so sorry.
Backdrop. Stand here. Okay, what injuries do you have?
My rib hurts.
Your rib? Okay, do you have
Which
any?
side?
Which
My
side?
right side.
This side?
Right. Okay. Any other injuries? My head.
Okay, where at on your head? Is it up here?
Top of my head.
Directly on top of your head?
On my forehead.
Your forehead? What's your name?
Danielle.
Danielle? I'm Sergeant Munoz with the Ranch Police Department, okay? So what I'm doing here right now is I am looking into the force that was used. Can you tell me what happened?
I didn't use any force.
No, not you. Just what happened as far as like the in sense. It's not. I'm only looking as far as how you came to your injuries essentially.
I didn't make it out. I did it to myself because I didn't listen to what they were saying. I ran. And I was being so dumb, and I'm so sorry for not doing what they asked me to do. Because I wasn't complying with them, and I'm so sorry.
So,
I just don't want to go to jail. I'm so sorry. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
so
Please, I don't want to go to jail.
Okay, so can you tell me how officers came in contact with you?
They came in contact. Well, like, what do you mean?
How did you meet officers, and how did officers come and talk to you?
They tried taking me into the room in the store, when somebody came in, one of the employees came into the door, I ran out.
Okay, and then what happened
And
after
she
you?
tackled me.
Okay.
She tackled me.
Okay, from behind, the
Yeah,
side,
from
the front.
behind.
Okay.
But I ran into both the doors like head on first.
Was that before or after?
That was before she tackled me.
Before she tackled you, you ran into the doors?
Like this, yeah.
Okay. So you ran into the doors first, and then she tackled you, and then what happened from there?
She put the handcuffs on me tighter.
Okay. Oh, so you were already in handcuffs?
Yes.
Okay, and then were you still in handcuffs, or did you take them off?
No, she tackled me and just put them on tighter.
Okay. So you were in handcuffs the whole time?
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna go take you to the hospital, go get checked out, okay?
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, just go ahead and have a seat. We're gonna buckle you up. You don't have any knives, needles, or guns on you that we need to be aware of, do we? You don't have anything in your pockets that we need to be aware of?
I'm so sorry.
Lean forward just a little so I can buckle you.
Lean forward, ma'am.
Lean forward. We gotta buckle you up so you don't fly all over the place. Are you going?
Am I gonna go to jail?
Well, right now you're going to the hospital.
Yeah, they're gonna ask the female officer about this, and I think she's pretty proud of it.
I don't want to go to jail, please. I never go to jail, please.
She was charged with shoplifting, escaping the custody of an officer, resisting, and possession of a controlled substance. Thanks for watching.
It was, hey, Sly, George W. How you guys? Sorry, I lost track for a second. Oh, that was from Body Cam Pro. Yeah, don't run with handcuffs on. I mean, everybody makes these things bigger than. I mean, I wouldn't want to get arrested, so that probably would be scary. But at the same time, I don't believe I would ever put myself in that position. There we go. Okay, I don't know what I have next. Let's find out.
On January 22nd, 2025, officers in Florida were reopening a closed road when they spotted a blue
Hey, we're back in Florida. Let me move me. I'm gonna move me again.
BMW SUV stopped in the middle of the roadway, even after the intersection had been reopened. An officer approached the female driver to check on her and see if she needed any help. Here's what the officer did next.
Okay, can you put the car in park for me?
It's in park.
Okay. Is it a push to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I only watched like 15 seconds of this one earlier, and it looked good enough to play. Because I think she's a lawyer, if I'm not mistaken.
Will you mind just giving me your license and registration for me, please?
Real body cams.
244 dispatch. It's going to be a blue BMW. We're at 4th and Coconut. All right. Where are you coming from?
Carajulos.
Where is that?
Carajulos.
Carajulos? Okay, is that downtown? I'm not familiar.
Palm Avenue.
Palm Avenue? Okay. Did you have anything to drink when you were there?
I did.
Okay, what did you have to drink?
Yeah, try to find the ones that I don't think anybody are gonna see, but you know, I get more out of these the second time I watch them anyway.
I usually get, hold on. Sorry. I usually get, 2.
You're fine. What did you have to drink?
Lemon drop martinis.
Two lemon drop martinis?
Yes.
Okay.
But I usually get 2, God, I can't think of the name of it.
Hey, JJJs. I'm sure they're probably telling me this. You said DA. Is it defense attorney or district attorney?
Okay. So, how long did you think you were stopped here?
I was stopped here for quite a while because I could not figure out how to put my car in drive.
You couldn't figure out how to put the car in drive?
Well, no. That's not true. It stopped. My car stopped. Why do you have my flashlight in your face?
I just want to make sure that I can see you. It's dark out here, so. Okay. So, can you go ahead and just stay here for me? I'm going to go to the car. I'll be right back, okay?
That's fair.
All right. Oh, yeah. Can you do the, I haven't done one yet, so can you do the...
Hey, so where'd you...
Yeah, I get that. I tried to take a day off YouTube the other day, and I made it to like 7 o'clock, which was pretty good. Then I realized there's a whole bunch of stuff on Netflix that I've missed out for a while. But it's good to take breaks from time to time, and then I'll find these for us.
Where you're coming from?
Character name.
Care Jules, how long were you there for?
I left there, I think 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock?
Can you move that over there? Because I have a brain injury.
Have a brain injury?
Yes.
Okay, what is that? Does that affect
The
you?
light, yes.
Okay.
It affects me.
Okay, in what way? I'm just asking, just...
Seizures.
Seizures? Okay.
Yes.
How often do these seizures come on?
With light.
Just with light?
Flashing lights.
Okay.
Light.
Like epilepsy?
Yes.
Okay.
No. That's not true.
Okay. So you know epilepsy.
I don't have epilepsy, but I have a brain injury because I got run over by a car.
How long ago was that?
2019.
2019.
Is Orlando working?
Orlando?
Yeah.
He's on the other shift.
Perez?
Yeah, he's on the other shift.
Yeah. He knows me.
Does he?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name again? How much did you say you had to drink tonight?
2. I usually drink 2, not cappuccino.
Espresso martini?
Espresso martinis, but
Okay.
the espresso martini thing was down, so I got 2 lemon drop martinis.
Okay, how long ago was that? What'd you say?
I got there like 6 o'clock.
Okay. You got there at 6 o'clock. It's 8:30 now. Okay. Alright.
But I have a brain injury, so I'm telling you right now,
Mm-hmm.
this is going to sound so weird because whatever. But I have a brain injury.
Okay.
I slur my words.
Yep.
I cannot stand. I cannot do balance.
Okay. What we're worried about is you driving, right? So,
I don't understand that.
Yeah, because we were parked here, and then you just sat here for a while.
Well,
you know what I
because
mean?
my car
And then we
was just
start talking to you, and then you're telling us that you have, that you had drank 2 alcoholic beverages not too long ago. I mean, it's 8:30 now. By the time you left, it would have been around the 8 to 8:30 mark. So
That sucks. I'm sorry. I've got some compressed disc in my neck from getting hit by a soft sit who didn't have insurance. And I had back surgery a couple years ago, but it wasn't car accident related. But yeah, I feel for you. I feel what that feels like.
And you have a tow truck?
tow truck? No, we had a gas leak here, so that's why the streets were blocked off.
Okay.
And then I moved my vehicle, which was sitting right here, and then you continue just to sit here. So that's why we were concerned about you.
Yeah, because my car shut off. My car literally shut off. And I was like...
Okay, so another thing, so I was at the corner over there, and I was taking down some caution tape, and my lights were, my car was parked at the corner.
I saw
right there.
you. I saw you.
So did you see me flashing my light at you? To
I
stop,
did
because
not.
you were going pretty fast down this road, and I didn't want you to come.
No, I saw you, but my best friend lives in the city side apartments right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so...
Is that where you were going?
No. I'm going to...
Okay.
My best friend lives there. Her and I were at Carajulo's.
Uh-huh.
And I left her. We're both attorneys. She works for the state attorney. I work for the PD.
Okay.
Well,
You
actually...
work for SPD?
No, the public defender.
Yeah, I get that. I never got the surgery for the compressed disc in my neck. But I did a lot of box. I still box a lot. And I could definitely still do those tests. I used to snowboard at a really high level. I'll try to find some of those videos one day, and I've had a lot of concussions from that. But I could definitely still do these tests sober for sure. And I don't drink anyway, so I wouldn't be in this. But yeah, she's hammered.
She just got back from Alaska. We met up.
Okay.
And we had drinks at Carajulo's. I told you I had 2 drinks.
Okay. We're just worried about you driving, making sure you're okay to drive.
No, I'm
That's
fine.
I'm going to pull you out of the car and just run a couple exercises, okay?
But here's the thing.
Okay.
I'm not willing to do field sobriety exercises because I have a brain injury.
Okay.
Dang, Twitchy, I didn't realize they were that bad. I'm glad you have it blinged out, though.
Which causes me to slur my words.
Okay.
It causes me to... But actually, with my brain injury, I do way better.
Way better.
Judge Denkin uses me in the field sobriety exercises with the judge's training.
Okay. We're just trying to make sure you're okay to drive. It's a long drive. I mean, if we can just, if I do my exercises, I can just test your eyes real quick and make sure they're okay. I know you said you had.
Here's the thing with HDN. You're going to do the HDN.
Yes, ma'am.
I have 4 in the eyes before you even test me.
Yeah, that's what you said. You have a traumatic brain injury with that.
I do.
And it does. Okay. Have you notified David or anything like that? Like the DHMV?
I have not notified David, but if you look, I got hit by a car in a crosswalk in 2019, walking to my office. She ran me over.
Uh-huh. Okay, and you're diagnosed with the traumatic brain injury.
I am.
And have you notified the DMV at all?
No. Like,
okay.
why would I?
Well, okay. So.
Fair enough, right?
Yeah, well, yes and no, because in the incidents like this happened to where like.
I know, I don't have a clue when you're supposed to notify the DMV from all I understand is that this, well, you know what? It doesn't even come up when you renew your driver's license, does it? At least not where I live. But if it's this bad, which we know she's just drunk, then she shouldn't be driving anyway. But I know there's a lot of people who have physical restrictions on their restrictions or can't get a driver's license because of stuff. Eye stuff, spinal stuff, head stuff, seizure stuff, you know. She's hammered.
Now we're potentially involved.
I got nothing out of that.
Okay.
The lady ran me over.
No. So with
I was out of work for a year.
Okay. Are you willing to do exercises?
What if I don't? You're gonna take me to jail.
Not necessarily, no, because we can.
Yes, that's true. I'm a public defender. I know you're gonna take me to jail if I don't.
No, not necessarily.
That's not what
we're not doing that. That's what I'm saying is if I do the exercises based on the
HCN, I already got 4 in the eyes before you even start.
Okay. So with the.
Will you call Orlando?
I can call Orlando and see what he knows you.
Yes, he knows me.
All right, I'll call Orlando, see what he says. But regardless,
I'm telling you right now, I am not drunk.
Okay. All right.
I am not drunk.
Okay. All right. Just stand by real quick. Okay.
All right.
You're saying to me that you just didn't know how to put it back in drive.
I couldn't. I was doing my thing. I was hitting the start button. It wouldn't. It would not let me go.
Okay.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it was just all kind of weird. That's why I was like,
I'm sitting here and I'm like, I'm an old lady just trying to go. And it wouldn't. I hit park. I pulled. So for a BMW, instead of going forward, you go backward. I was hitting drive. It would not go. And I'm like, oh my God, I saw you back there with your lights on. And I was like, I'm going to get pulled over because I can't go.
Why would you think that?
What do you mean?
Why would you think you're gonna get pulled over?
Because
I wasn't even behind you yet.
You were over there.
Yeah, on the corner.
But
I wasn't even in the car.
I saw you. I'm a public defender. I saw you.
I know, yeah.
She said public defender. Did she switch it from district attorney, or was she always a public defender?
Nothing would make me go.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be a jerk.
No, you're not. You're not being at all.
I have a car.
Understand.
I'm 52 years old. I have a car that it literally shut off right here, and I'm like, I saw you. You were sitting right there. I'm like, how do I turn this car on? And I literally sat here for like 5-10 minutes. How do I turn this car on?
Officer Manning is back.
All right, Miss Ace. So
sorry.
I spoke to a sergeant. So what we're going to do, because I am getting indications that, you possibly may have had
Okay,
things
that's
to drink.
fair.
Are you
That's
willing
fair.
to do SFSEs? I'm going to be straight up. If you do not do SFSEs, I have to
I
go.
know
We
you're
have to
gonna
go.
take me to
We have to
jail.
go based off, and then you can blow. You can do the breathalyzer.
Oh my goodness.
And if you do the breathalyzer and it's below the .08, then we can go from there. If you could stop.
Oh no. Okay, so my stream just disconnected, but hopefully it comes back. Anyway, if there's a gap, that's what happened. At least she's relatable. So if she defends people with DUIs, she's relatable. As long as she doesn't lose her license. And yeah, no, that's good. That's good. I used to run a bunch of rental car companies, and we had a few that had hand controls, and it took me a while to get used to them, but we would have to move them from A to B, and I figured out how to drive cars with hand controls. But better to not have to need them.
I'm gonna fail. I fail 100%.
The breathalyzer?
Sober. Yes. Oh, breathalyzer.
Correct. I just told you, yeah.
Oh, yes,
so we'll
I
go,
will take a breathalyzer.
You will do a breathalyzer?
By the way, so I have a BMW. It's a branded title, so I got it super cheap. And I also have a Ram 1500 truck. And my Ram is a lot more complicated to drive than the Beamer. Beamers are really, really simple. So, again, another excuse that she shouldn't have.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're going to go that route. If you're not willing to do SFSEs, and we could take all that into
account. Do FSC.
Yeah, I'm going to take that into account.
Okay.
Okay. And then we'll do the breathalyzer. And then from there, if you blow a certain percentage or the under 0.08,
that's fair.
Then we'll go from there. Okay? Is that all good on that?
Yes.
All right, perfect.
Do you want me to get out?
I'm going to have you step out. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So the way this is going to go, I still have to technically put you under arrest, okay?
Oh,
I'm gonna
please don't cuff me.
This
is embarrassing.
I'm going to be fully transparent. So the reason why we're doing this, right, is because we are getting indications. If I could have you stop blowing on just so it makes it easier and the time can go faster when we get there. So the way this is going to go, I'm going to be fully transparent. I'm doing these because we're having indications. You've disclosed to me that you have a traumatic brain injury. We're taking that all into account. You're saying you're going to have HGN. You're not willing to do SFSCs because you said that you're going to fail them. It's not a pass. It's not a pass or fail exercise. I want you to know that.
I understand that. I defend that. Well,
That's
no,
okay.
I do felonies,
so
I don't defend that anymore.
So we're going to go the route because I am still getting indicators that you could be possibly
Fair enough.
Under the influence of
It's
alcohol.
okay. Yes.
So we are going to go the arrest route. I'm still going to place you under arrest. Do you want us to park your vehicle somewhere else? I think we can park it up on the side of the road.
City side, yeah.
Yeah, there's a parking space over there we can park.
Well, how do you know when a cop is a little newer? Well, he's very unsure of almost every single thing that comes out of his mouth.
Park on the side of the road for you.
Okay, fair enough.
And so your vehicle doesn't get towed or anything like that.
That's fair. Thank you so much.
Yep. And then
you're great.
I'm going to take you down to.
I hope not. If that's true, well, let's see if it's true for the other people in the chat. If not, it could have been the disconnection. And if it did do that, I think I have a way to fix it, but I'm not 100% sure.
the jail. We'll do the breathalyzer. We'll get that done, and then I know it's just because you disclosed to us that you've done the alcohol. You've had a couple alcoholic beverages. Okay.
But if everything that you told us is true, then you'll blow, and then we'll be able to go from there.
But can I get my car after that?
Yeah. So we're gonna.
I know everyone down there. This is embarrassing.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I agree to that.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna have you turn around. Okay. We're gonna place your hands behind your back.
Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh my god! So you can drive my car?
Yeah, so
my purse is
So I'm guessing I'm not even gonna guess. Try jumping out, coming back in, and see if it works.
We can get everything for you. Okay. She's gonna take you back to the car, to my vehicle, and then she's gonna search you, and then is it okay if I drive your car down to the road?
Yes.
Okay.
Just face the vehicle like this for me, okay?
Oh my god! I watched this in video every.
Any unit available from 9-4
Oh my god!
Alright. Hey, do you have anything on you?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I turned it down a little bit. She got a lot louder than she was for the whole beginning of the video, so I didn't expect it either.
Me, any weapons, any knives,
No,
anything like
I
that?
just have cash in my pocket.
Okay,
Which is like $2 and change.
Okay, no problem. I'm just gonna go ahead and search you, okay?
That's fine. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't even drive drunk. Like, I Uber.
Okay. Can you go ahead and put those back on?
I don't know if I can. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. Can you take a step for me, and then we can just do a big... Alright. Got it?
No.
Yeah, you're sitting on this.
God.
Are you, so I have a vehicle release form. Your vehicle is parked on 4th Street right here, okay?
8 to 7, you can cancel. We have a basketball party.
Okay. Yeah, so they'll be able to do all that at the jail, okay?
My car.
I did get your wallet and your phone. Is that everything you need? You have that big purse.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yep.
This is sad. I know every person that works at the jail. They're gonna be like, what are you doing here? I do not drink and drive. I Uber if I have more than 2 drinks. I had 2 drinks and I was on my way home. $120.
So I don't know how the bond system works for these, but I'll be right back. I'm gonna put my stuff up and I'll come get you, okay?
All good, George. This one's almost over. Actually, it might be over.
Suspect was charged with DUI. The suspect was issued a $500 bond, which she later posted. In court, she initially pleaded not guilty. However, the charge of DUI was reduced to reckless driving. She later amended her plea to no contest to reckless driving and was sentenced to 12 months of probation along with 50 hours of community service. She was also ordered to pay a $500 fine and all court costs.
But that's not cool. From my understanding, even first-time DUIs don't get pled down too often. Let's see. Sorry, I'm reading the chats. Yeah. Yeah, have fun going to Sturgis too. There's many reasons. Let's just say there's many reasons. Many reasons I don't drink anymore. Driving wasn't an issue for me. I'd get blackout and I'd just run home. It was strange. Um, yeah. Yeah, it's a bad move for so many reasons, but hey, she's in that position. I mean, they're not going to want to show favoritism in the community for a lawyer. Um, ugh, 4.5 hours. I'm not a motorcycle guy, but I got a feeling that I would need to stretch a lot during that. Uh, yeah, I'm trying to think. I used to do this thing back in college where I'd grab all the beer cans from the party, and I would kind of get some people to help me smash them, and then I lived in a fraternity house, so I'd get some people and help me take them up to the roof, and then I would steal my roommate's golf clubs and then and then hit the cans off the roof. My roommate didn't like it, and neither did the neighbors. But it was fun to do, and I did it at least a few times a semester. All right, let's see what the next one is.
Mom!
One of these is going to be really loud all of a sudden. I don't remember which one it is. I don't think it's this one.
Mom! Mother! Tell them you want to talk!
Oh, this one I kind of found going down a rabbit hole. This one, I think this is a throwback. Let me know if you guys have seen this one. So they call this one a sovereign citizen in the title. Oh man, I'm gonna have to look up the source while we're going. But I think I didn't really watch it. I think it's a First Amendment auditor.
Hey, you're allowed to!
On January 5th, 2025 in Ohio, a man showed up at the police station with his family, claiming someone had tried to kill them. While waiting,
So did they just think you were drinking and driving, or you were just hammered outside?
Began acting erratically and refused to leave when asked by officers.
Oh, okay.
Come on, man, you gotta go.
Okay, one second. Hold on, I have to submit this. Can I have your name and badge number, please? Name and badge number, please?
Officer McDowell, 1363. Come on,
Name,
let's
badge
go.
number,
So
please. Come on.
yesterday, I felt like this was a few months old. Maybe we went down the same rabbit hole.
Hold on.
gotta leave.
I'm leaving willfully.
Yeah, we'll give it to you outside.
Let's roll.
Come on, you gotta go.
Your name, badge number? We'll write it down for you.
Sergeant Gupta, 1147.
Keep me on. I pay for it.
You don't pay for it, get out.
Yeah, I do. I pay taxes.
Get out.
Stop shoving me against the
Nobody's
door.
shoving you, man.
No one's shoving
No
me.
one's shoving
Get
you.
out.
Let's
You
go.
shoved me against the door, bro.
Oh, quick,
Hey, stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Get
off
away
the
from
property.
me.
Get off the property.
Get away from me.
Get off the
Stop
property.
chasing me down.
Get off the property.
What's your name?
Stop being ridiculous.
1363?
Stop being ridiculous.
1363?
Stop being a baby. Get off the
This
Where's
is
the
like Kid Rock meets Chili.
Get off the
I
property.
want your
He's right there.
supervisor.
Get off the
I want
property.
your supervisor.
Get off the
Supervisor.
property. Get off the
Supervisor.
property. Get off the property.
Supervisor, stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Walk.
I'm on the sidewalk. I'm on the sidewalk. I'm on the sidewalk.
Leave.
Stop chasing me down.
Leave. Leave. Ryan.
Right.
Ryan, come on.
Why is your officer on my face?
He's leaving. You're leaving. We're leaving. Let's go. What's just 13?
Name and badge number.
We gave it to you. You recorded it.
Why don't you get a job and get a real life?
Okay, I have.
Hey, you start cursing, it's going to be disorderly conduct.
It's time to take off.
Let's just
It's time to
13.
take off.
Hey, whoa.
Now you're going to jail.
That's fine. Right ahead. Can I have my shoe, please?
Put your shoe on. Let's just send him. Disorderly.
Hold on. You up. I see that. I'm good.
25, start a wagon.
Good, you got yours, man.
Yeah, I actually do. Can we hold on?
Where's it at? Where's it
Hey, can I stand here by myself, please?
Where is your idea?
You're under arrest right now.
That's, I'm being detained.
No, you're under arrest.
I'm under
Disorderly
arrest.
conduct.
It's on my
You don't
pocket.
stand out here when we're telling you to leave, call everybody heads and all that kind of
Bro,
stuff.
it's a
Disorderly
word.
conduct. You're under arrest. Warned.
Okay.
You're going to the county.
I'm going to the county. Okay.
We'll put it on my come back.
Okay.
Over this way.
Hey,
come on.
Walk that way, dummy. I'm coming. I was just trying to make sure that I get my phone. We'll see you guys all in 24 hours.
This one's body cam link. I mean, at least you can tell by all of the mag chloride and on the road that it's not Florida.
Actually, the docket's full there, smart guy. No, you're under arrest. You can come down to the police station and pick your phone up.
Hey! 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 Excuse me, guys! Excuse me, sir! Hey! That's my personal property! Give it to my mom, please! Of course it will be! Hey, who's got a body camera that's being turned on? This isn't even turned on! Hey, those keys are mine! They're my mom's, thank you! You just closed the door on your officer, nice job. Hey, yo, can you give my phone to my mom, please?
No.
Why not?
Because we're not calling your mom to
No. I said, can you give it to her? She's in the police station. Can you give it to her in my wallet, please?
Your mom's in the police station?
My mother is right there in the police station talking to the dude at the front desk with my brother, Jerry. Can you please give her my wallet and my phone? That would be awesome if you did. It's the bare minimum that you guys can do for me. Come on. I have no record, you guys.
Is there someone inside that?
You do now.
You're about to have a record, and they don't owe you shit, dude.
Yeah, thanks.
When they tell you to leave, leave.
I was standing on the sidewalk.
When they tell you to leave, leave.
There's a sidewalk, public property. I want a supervisor. You can keep laughing all you want, dude.
All you have to do is walk away.
No, that idiot who lives in his mom's basement and smokes pot all day, he ain't doing shit.
Let's do DOC and criminal trespass. You guys all.
He was technically on the sidewalk.
But we asked him to leave the property multiple times. I had to grab him and walk him down to the sidewalk.
Trespass.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want.
Let's do trespass and DOC.
Come on.
Oh, man, I got a bad feeling about this one. The problem is we didn't see what happened on the inside of the police station, but this is the kind of tee up that First Amendment auditors are looking for.
You get your keys back?
Yes.
All right, awesome. You're welcome. No, disorderly conduct and criminal trespass.
Criminal trespass.
Yeah, you won't leave.
Mom! Mom! Mother! Tell them you want to talk to me! You're allowed to!
What's his deal?
He was a sucker from the very beginning. Her and the tall dude were perfectly fine.
What was he pissed about?
Somebody ran into the gas line last night on 18th Street, and apparently we came out and got information quick for a report and took off.
Sounds right.
Yeah. You know, so he was just he's like, just shitty. So I told him, I said, you can stay, you gotta go, dude. We don't let people in just to with us. Mm-hmm. So that's what I call him. You know, just a sucker. It's one of those when you're on a call, you would turn around and just walk away from.
Hey, bro, can I talk to my mom real fast?
Your phone in your wallet?
Huh?
You want her to take your phone in your wallet?
Can I talk to her, please? And yes, please.
What do you need to talk to her about?
I just would like to at least tell my mom that I'm going down to the station, you know? I mean, it's very evident that's where I'm going, but I would like to tell her myself.
Well, see if she wants to talk to you.
Our neighbor pretty much tried to kill us last night, and nothing's been done.
The neighborhood if they care. It's a fire department.
Where are you
I can talk to you if you want to talk to him.
Yeah, I can talk to him.
So the neighbor hit our
but-
gas tank.
Yeah, the neighbor hit our gas meter. Yeah.
With their vehicle? Yep.
And we were told last night there's no proof.
So the police come out last night or no?
Yeah, they came, but
nothing was done. Things were escalated. We were told to go back in the house to where there was gas leak in the house. That made no sense to me. And I say attempted murder because they were trying to move the car without letting us know that they hit our gas meter.
So they could have caused a spark.
And we could have woke up dead today.
Who was moving the car, though?
Her boyfriend and her.
Her boyfriend, and her. Yeah. We didn't go outside. She hit her.
Yeah, she hit me in the back of the head.
Left before
Punched you?
Yeah.
What's her deal? She's drugs or
drugs?
Probably. She after when the gas company was there, they said she ran out of the house barefoot down the street in the snow, probably 20 degrees.
With a hammer in her hand.
So I mean, it's a reoccurring thing there. They drive through our yard. They hit her car last Friday and then skipped.
Yeah, I have a hit skip on her.
Do they rent the house there or they own it?
No,
they own it.
They own it. And it's a shared drive, and they block it. So right now, we're probably going to call someone to tow their vehicles because they are impeding the shared drive. It's parked in the middle of the house, and his car has still been sitting where he left it last night.
But being told that we have no proof on both occasions is it's just really frustrating when we have it on camera.
What? Edie? Oh man. I'm not 100% sure I know what that means, but I think I do.
Yeah, there's not many vehicles.
He sent you the link?
Yes.
He's going to, yes.
Okay. So that should be coming, and you can put that in there, and like he said, he's going to refer it up to hit skip and go from there. I mean, if you have a video for getting out of the car.
Yeah, that'd be super duper. Super nice of you guys.
Do we really have to, after all of everything's happened, arrest him?
Well, I mean,
yeah, it sounds like he's being an a-hole, but I need a picture of this house. I can't figure out their story. It sounds like, okay, she said they share a driveway, which usually makes me think townhouse, but I have seen single family homes share a driveway. And then I guess if the gas meters were in between the houses, this is just hard to picture. I need them to submit. Dear Miss Space Jam Hoodie and Mr. Ghostface, super tall guy, please send photos and a diagram of your property with your neighbors, and then I can help you with trying to figure out what's going on.
You guys are going through a lot. You can't be down here acting like that. And then when we tell them to leave, I mean,
Yeah, okay, I probably zoned out for a second. I could have woke up then. Because of the gas leak. Okay, I'm back here with you guys, I think.
You guys drive down here or you guys walk down here?
We drove.
Where's the car?
Over in the parking lot.
All he had to do was go over there.
I know.
But he's out here cursing at all of us, standing up there saying he's not going to leave.
No, he said he'll leave. I heard him. He said he'll leave.
The officer had to escort him off down the steps here.
Well, he said he was leaving and he got shoved into the door real hard.
He didn't get shoved into the door. The door just, you have to push that thing to get out of the door. So he ran into the door and the officer was right behind him. So nobody was trying to shove him out the door.
That's where it escalated, is where he got pushed.
I think it escalated before we even got here. Otherwise, the officer would have called us.
No, he actually calmed down. He was being quiet.
The officer inside said that he wasn't going to deal with him anymore because of his behavior. So you guys saw that. I didn't see that. But that guy's got a lot of patience. He's been an officer for a long time. He wouldn't call us down here to have him removed from the police station if that wasn't the case. Okay.
Well, it basically escalated because all he did was say us, and that's where he was like, well, I wasn't there. I can't do anything.
Yeah, the officer in there, when my son said you guys,
he was meaning the
as
department.
in the department,
He
he said
doesn't
I
know-
wasn't there, so it infuriated him when he meant you as in the police officers, not you as in himself.
Hold on, we'll get you set up, okay?
Set up?
Yeah.
We gotta transfer you over to the
Oh,
wagon.
okay, that's fine. I'll take you over to the wagon.
This is all new for me. This is why.
What I'm gonna do is just put these handcuffs. I'm gonna put mine on and then take his off, okay?
That's fine.
Just
I'm not
hang
gonna
tight.
go anywhere, so you ain't gotta worry about that.
Okay, no problem. Just hang tight.
I can't really run anywhere anyway in slides. And my.
Right. And you know what? If you got to, and if you're
I'm not
cuffed-
going anywhere.
No,
so
I'm
it's
just
all
saying. You know, if you're cuffed, you know what's funny is if you don't have your arms to run with.
Yeah, you fall flat on
you
your
fall
face.
flat on your face.
Yeah, I know. I'll be
Get
watching.
turned.
I know. It's freaking ridiculous. I'll be watching videos,
Isn't
man.
that crazy?
Can I see the key though? Like, can you hold it? in front of me so I can actually see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Clearly, he's got a little bit of anger issue.
Yeah, he does.
I mean, we're standing there.
Wait, so he was
yelling.
he was in the back the whole time without being cuffed? I mean, I know they've got the cages and the one-sided locked doors, but they're just now putting cuffs on him?
Adam, we're just telling him to leave, and he's calling us and all this other stuff. So, I mean, that's when he got arrested.
Okay. Can I talk to him for a second, please? He said he wanted to talk to me. What did you need to talk to?
You have my phone. That's all I need.
Oh, okay. I don't know how to access it.
It's okay. I can.
If
it's okay, I can. Hey, Mom. Hey.
Oh crap. Yeah, tell Colin just to pause it for like 10 minutes. All good, man. I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay. I know how to.
Well, no, I meant what I'm saying is you have like a 48-hour window, and you'll have to resubmit that link. Okay.
Yeah, you'll be out.
I'll probably out.
What is it, like a 12-hour release thing, or it's charged?
It's 2 misdemeanors, and it's up to the jail or a court when he's released. Hey, I appreciate you guys being civil with us. I mean, we kind of got called down into, we don't know what your situation is. We don't know what the officer and him were talking about. He just wanted him removed from the police station. So we do have that sometimes, and that's what happened today. So
We shouldn't have even had to come down, to be honest.
you may have a point there. Sounded like it was kind of a mess
something.
out there
Well,
last
last night when the police were there, they went and they knocked on the door. Nobody answered. And we asked them to please try to do something more than what they're doing.
Oh, you know what's on his phone? The messages saying that they're gonna mess with the rest of our cars.
Oh yeah, they said her
They're gonna-
boyfriend threatened that he was going to just.
You guys, I shouldn't have played this video. So I've got two trains of thoughts. Either A, I'll watch the whole thing and be like, oh, that was awesome. I'm going to put it on my stream. Or B, that sucked. I'm not going to put it on my stream. But this case, I was like, well, we could watch it together because they listed as a sovereign citizen. And there's got to be some good stuff there. But no, this was pretty it's pretty boring. Anyway, I'm going to jump forward like 20, 30 seconds and see if he drops anything sovereign citizen here.
And that's why he asked him to leave. He wouldn't leave. The other two people were cool. He wouldn't leave. We get there, and he still was like kind of like, dragging his feet, not wanting to leave.
All right. Well, you guys need anything else from me then?
Nah.
He's all shipped and ready to go. Mom has his phone and wallet.
The man was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct. If he is convicted, what do you think the punishment should be? Drop your opinion in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more videos.
Yeah, I don't know. Let me. Oh, I forgot to take the background out. Let's see what happens when I take the video out. Oh, I'm just dark. Just darkness. Let me see what else I have. I might just hold on to the rest of my playlist and play it tomorrow. Let's see. Oh, I've got a weird court one I stole from another channel. And then I've got a First Amendment auditor. A real one. And yeah, you know what? Let me do a better job with the YouTube shovel. I'll watch some court tomorrow, see what I can find out. I usually don't make it too much farther past Judge Simpson's. If you missed the beginning of the stream and you didn't watch Mike's stream today, there was some pretty good. There's at least a good part in Judge Simpson's courtroom today. I got to figure out this streaming service. It's complicated and frustrating me, but I think I'll get the hang of it. And then, yeah, so the last guy, if any prosecutor or any district attorney has watched anything on First Amendment auditors, they know that when you arrest a guy for trespassing, even if you call it disorderly conduct, you'll usually end up getting sued, and it's probably not worth their time. So I bet that last guy gets his case dismissed, but who knows? I mean, he seems like an idiot. He probably saw a bunch of First Amendment auditor videos and then went into the police department while his mom and brother were reporting a crime, saying, "Oh, I'm gonna go record the police and First Amendment audit stuff." So Oh, I can't leave the cats? Or I can't leave while you're feeding the cats. Oh, fine. Is it more McDonald's stuff? Okay, well, hang on. The wife and kids are almost home, which is the primary reason I'm about to bail. But I do so happen to have Simpson pulled up right now. Hold on, where am I? Okay, there's me. Okay, let's make me small. Because I caught all the McDonald's stuff and the angry girl that tried to say she was defending herself. Do you remember? Oh, well, I might as well just throw it on here for a second. Okay, let's see. Simpson. The very last docket, JJJ's? Or is Josh, right?
And okay, council, on Deanne matter, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna adjourn this out to September 3rd.
May I make a request, Your Honor?
You're going to anyway, so yes, go ahead.
Could it be past that date? So
Retrial in this matter will be adjourned to September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. Alleged BAC
.210, Your Honor, and there was a crash.
and a crash. Okay. Set the defendant's bond at a $20,000 personal recognizance bond. Under standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There's to be absolutely no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. You understand that, sir? Yes. I will order that you report over to the Department of Community Corrections. Placement on a scram tether unit. You need to report over there today, sir.
I was looking for the pause button, then I forgot I was playing off the browser. Hey, Sherry. I was trying to leave, but then Skitch said I can't be done yet. But I might walk away from the screen a little bit here, just because I think the wife and kids just got home. But supposedly the last 30 minutes of Simpsons docket is fun. And my phone's talking to me.
All right. Anything further?
Nothing, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court call States People versus Ronald Matthews.
At least that's how we
Yeah. How you doing, Ronald Matthews? I'm doing okay.
Yeah, I just realized I think I went to the earliest one, right? Right when you said that.
And I believe
Even myself too. I believe it. I know I can do it. I know I can.
Okay, so when can she take it again? When can you pay the $250, sir?
Right now.
Oh, well, you'll have to wait till tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow.
Okay.
Is that better? Is this the right part? Whoa, is that a comb over?
Yeah. Because Miss Paytas said we are closed.
Yeah. I'll send the link out tomorrow.
So just make sure to pay it by the 8th.
Okay.
Like this Friday coming up, okay? And actually, yeah, you can come down to the court, or if you happen to jump on, we usually have up a QR code that you can use that'll take you right to the site. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
All right, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
Court calls case People versus Andrew Party.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Again, another arraignment. That's like 50 billion of them. Hello.
Yeah. I realized that after I mentioned the comb over part. You know, all of the dockets from every judge, the very end is always the best. So I don't even know why I spend any time at all watching the first 2 to 4 hours of anybody's docket. And as soon as there's an issue, they put them back to the end of the docket anyway.
Go
Good
ahead,
afternoon,
state
Your
your
Honor.
fear.
Charlotte Steffen on behalf of Mr. Party. Your Honor, at this time, I'm appointed on the pretrial, not yet on the arraignment.
Got it. So right, but the problem is the PD will be, were you the MAC office appointed you on this one?
The pretrial, yes.
Okay, so you may not get this other. I'm not sure how that works.
I did reach out to them to try to be proactive about today, and they assured me that I will be appointed, just I couldn't be appointed 4 days.
Out of the gate.
I said
Right. Okay, so you've done, okay. I figured you probably would have done
Yeah,
something
that
to try
happened
to
to
make
me.
sure it happened, so. All
Yes,
right.
he's been very proactive, Your Honor, so.
All right, Mr. Purdy, you are here on a complaint that alleges that on or about July 20th, 2025, location in Pittsfield Township, specifically that being Washington Avenue, that you did at that time had possession of drug paraphernalia. You understand that, sir?
No, I don't, sir.
Pardon?
I have no idea what this is about with paraphernalia.
Okay, so you have a complaint that alleges that on the date I just said, at that location, they're alleging that you were in possession of drug paraphernalia. I'm not asking, not saying whether or not you did it. You understand what you were charged with.
Yeah,
Do you understand what you were charged with?
I do today, yeah, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I was being charged.
And that is
Sherry. What? Oh, my phone just thought I said Siri. No, Siri. Sherry, I think yeah. Twitchy and me both skipped over the name too.
a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs, and the court could order any substance abuse treatment. You understand that, sir?
Yes, yeah, sure.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Absolutely.
This guy right here on the left, he looks like a guy that's in a whole bunch of movies. I can't think of his name, but he's got one of those faces.
At this point, this is a public defender case. And then somehow or another, they'll make the magical switch somehow or another.
For the time being, Assistant Public Defender Natalie Davis, and on behalf of Mr. Party, we would waive any further reading. My client stands mute and ask that a not guilty plea be entered, and we would ask for an adjourned pretrial date.
Then have a waive formal reading standing mute. The court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned. Did they say how fast they can make things happen? They can make it happen, brother.
They didn't say, Your Honor, I don't know.
All right. Why don't September 17th, will that work?
Works for me, Your Honor.
All right. I'll adjourn it out to September 17th, 2025. And as to your other matter, you want me to adjourn it to that same day?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll adjourn this one to September 17th. Let me set bond conditions on me. Pardon? I don't know that that's a violation, is it? So we got a problem. They've listed it as a progress report. But on August 1st, did a 10 panel, or was supposed to do a 10 panel. He missed his test, stated he didn't have money to do it at the time. On August 4th, he did a 10 panel. Problem is, he came up positive for amphetamines. And he denied having any current prescriptions that would have shown that.
Can I speak with me?
Pardon?
I called them and I asked them what I should do if I should come in and test on the first, and they told me don't worry about it and call back the next day. And I called back, and then I think the days are messed up. The moment I went and saw them, I went and tested.
What do you mean the days are messed up?
Because you said that from the 1st and the 4th. It was only a day after that I'd spoken with them.
I'm indicating.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Gotta get the kids out of the car. Yep, that's all. If you aren't here when I get back, then I'll see you and whoever's on the next chat.
What this says. I wasn't there. Okay?
Yeah.
So I'm telling what it says. I am not so much concerned about the dates. I am more concerned about why you have amphetamines in your system.
I've been taking Adderall since I was 7 years old.
Did you tell them that you have a prescription? Do you have a prescription for it?
I lost my prescription, sir.
Pardon?
I lost my prescription. I had to change doctors. Me and him got into it. I even got the doctor's note from him saying that you can no longer be my prescriber. Complicated story. Me and him got into it.
So you don't have a prescription?
No, I no longer have a primary care physician.
All right. Here's what I'm going to do. Sometime between now and the 17th, he needs to get back on and have his testing as he's supposed to have it. I'm not going to sit up here and argue with him tonight. Because I don't know, he knows what he's eating. I don't want to see those amphetamines unless he has a prescription in the system. Otherwise, I'm just going to make it real clear to you. I'll revoke your bond and you'll sit in jail until we get this thing done. Okay. Am I clear on that?
Yeah, I was just saying he's no longer prescribed to me.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
I don't really need any more language from you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Bond in this case at this time will be set as $10,000 personal recognizance of lower standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior, no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or illegal drug use, no possession of any weapons. I will sign a new community corrections order. I want him for testing. I want him tested once a week. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Courthouse case, People versus James Patrick Raggett III.
Henry Silver on behalf of.
Good evening, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Raggett. Mr. Raggett, please state your name for the record.
James Patrick Raggett III.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're here for two things. I suppose the first being the pretrial, which we would ask for an adjournment of. The court may remember Mr. Raggett's going to do an assessment to hopefully get a reduction. I did contact Mr. Statman, who can do an assessment while Mr. Raggett's in jail. I contacted the jail to make sure that it was okay that he came. We just haven't facilitated that. So that will eventually take place.
How much time do you guys?
Well,
if I put it out to the 17th, you can do whatever you want, or I can put it out to the 30th if you think you can get it done that fast. I don't know.
I'd ask for the 17th.
All right.
The second thing why I'm here is, I suppose, also going to depend on how quickly that can get done, Your Honor. The second being the bond motion.
Well, but is he in on just my case?
So he has.
I don't think he's in solely on my case because I think He was on a scram out of 15th District Court.
Yes.
And I think, yeah, anyway, go ahead.
Yes, he's not, he had a bond on the 15th case. And he has paid that bond. That's correct, Mr. Raggett, right?
Yes.
The thing that is holding him is, he's on the high BAC case, he has bond denied because of the domestic violence case that's scheduled before Your Honor on Friday.
Yes. Of which, if I'm recalling correctly, there was alcohol involved.
No.
No. Okay. Maybe I'm thinking of another case. Go ahead.
Can we approach? I'm sorry. It'll be really fast,
Go
maybe.
ahead. Yes.
Did it end? Oh, is this where the thing goes down? What happened? Oh, oh, they went on a break. Oh, thanks, Nap. You actually jumped in there. Nap time is kind of a friend of. Okay. Wow, there's still people in here. You guys are awesome. Oh. So it's probably the main one that goes down? Oh yeah, okay.
Record true effective bench conference in this case. In terms of any addressing the bond, there is a matter that is pending on Friday. I will have this file brought in on Friday, make a determination as to any bond on this case.
Okay, it was a bench conference. I came back and everything was frozen. I was like, oh no. Did everybody run away? I got one toddler who's freaking out, so I might walk away for a second again.
Once I see what's happening on that other case. So I'll keep this adjourned out to the 17th.
And Mr. Raggett, I'm gonna come see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All righty. Thank you. Bond will continue as denied at this point. Thank you, Mr. Reagan.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Elizabeth Reagan.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good evening, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Miss Radgett up there on the Zoom screen.
Yes. Your name, ma'am?
I'm Elizabeth Raggett.
Okay. What are we doing?
A couple of things, Your Honor. We do have a plea resolution. Miss Radgett will avail herself of that. She also wishes to take her
plea form.
I have it right here, and I thought she was going to be here, so I don't have it signed by her, of course.
Yeah.
Hoping she'll just throw out permission for me to sign if that's acceptable to the court.
Are you here on Friday?
Am I here on Friday? I can be here. Wait, you're asking me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I can, Your Honor. Yes, if the court needs me for.
I mean, you're not here on Friday, though.
but I can be.
All right.
Oh, I am, that's right.
You are here on Friday, Friday on settlement. So, Mr. Bernstein, what I'll do is I'll just put this over to Friday.
Okay.
Go down, get it signed, because she has to read that, the portion at the bottom. I mean, she has to sort of acknowledge that portion at the bottom, which, whatever. And then that way, I think it'll be a much cleaner type of thing, and then we can certainly take her plea. All right.
I understand, Your Honor, and I was hoping to make a bond argument today as well.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. And maybe it would have been best had you been at the bench when we were all talking. So
She is praying right now. Just watch her lips moving. He asked for a bond argument, and she's saying, please, 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 please. And you can tell Simpson's almost about to say, we'll do it tomorrow or next time.
I'm going to adjourn this case to, what is it, the 8th?
Yes.
To August 8th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's a special time for this case, but everybody will be here. There's a whole other, there's a dynamic going on. And so I'm not going to address the bond now, but I will also assure you that I will address Ms. Raggett and Mr. Raggett's bond on Friday.
I think I understand.
Okay.
I get it. Okay.
All right. And that way we can just get everything and make sure the best we can, the pieces are all where they should be. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Raggett.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll see you on Friday.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll come see you tomorrow, Elizabeth. Thank you.
Okay.
Court calls case, People versus Tiffany Roberts.
So earlier, Simpson was talking with one of the public defenders about McDonald's, and Alex was on the stream, and I was telling Alex that I really don't like McDonald's. I avoid it as much as possible, but then my wife comes home with some McDonald's. At least it's the ice cream. I didn't see what else was in the bag. I could do the ice cream, but I thought that was funny, coincidental.
These are arranged because of our council.
Of course they are.
But I don't have.
Don't ever. I'll issue orders to show cause. Court calls case of the People versus Michael Scott.
Township.
Afternoon, Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Scott. Your Honor, I did briefly speak with Mr. Scott. He is homeless, so I've been speaking with Brent and his parents when they're able to speak with him. So we do have some trouble getting in touch. He also did inform me that he's possibly going to treatment soon. So that's the update that I have for the court. I'd ask for an adjournment of this case.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond set at $5,000. I'll give it 10% privilege. I won't have that warrant issue until the 13th. Court calls the case, People versus Rashad Shafi.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Eastwood Township.
Pardon?
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Shafi. Your Honor, the last information I have is that Mr. Shafi was enrolled at Home and New Vision. He relapsed and there was a violation report that reflected that he relapsed and it was enrolled at Home and New Vision. I called there and left a message for him to call me back. I have not heard back. But that's the latest information I have regarding him.
You're saying that he's at home and New Vision because of the relapse, or the other way?
Yes, the violation report, if my memory is correct, is that he relapsed, he spoke to community corrections, and then he enrolled himself into Home of New Vision.
But you haven't heard from him?
No.
I haven't. Okay.
I don't know. I can check to see. I know he has other.
He's actually tomorrow's not.
Is he?
Yeah, the violation report came through tomorrow's.
Not today's.
Yeah.
So he's on tomorrow's docket. Not as in custody. He's.
I don't know. He has a different attorney.
All right, so here's what I'll do. I'll issue bench warrants on these cases, 5,000, 10% privilege. I won't issue those until the 8th. And then we'll see what tomorrow brings on this other case. Fair enough.
Yes, thank you.
Court calls case People versus Richard Sims.
Conrad Silver on behalf of the township.
Richard Sims. Order to show. Court calls case of the People versus Zachary Steiber.
Conrad Silver on behalf of the township.
This is Public Defender Natalie Pate on behalf of Mr. Cyber, who gave me permission to accept the offer.
I move that count to double parking, Your Honor. Accept the admission.
Man, yeah, I could see they're really just trying to get out of there, aren't they? And there's still people sitting in the back, so there should be some action here, hopefully. JJJ's, what'd you talk me into?
Move to dismiss the original charge.
And Ms. Spade, on behalf of your client, do you commit responsibility to the fact that they double parked a motor vehicle on February 11th, 2025, Ellsworth Road in Pittsfield Township?
Yes.
Court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can they pay that? You have them pay it by August 29th, 2025. Court calls case People versus Nicholas Stocker.
Conrad Silver on behalf of the township.
Good evening, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Stalker. Your Honor, this is my mess up. Mr. Stalker's at work. I was going to text him when we began the 4 o'clock block. I failed to do so. We do have.
You know, I chose to do live for a reason, so. I chose to do live for a reason, so. I'm cool with whatever direction it goes. I was just messing with you. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. We got 4 minutes left. There's still some people sitting in the back. I feel like something's gonna happen.
For him to appear via Zoom.
Yes, because he is at work and he couldn't step away. It's really my fault. I told him I was going to tell him when to come. I also, if I can compound my mistakes,
Get it all out there at once.
Yeah.
No? Self-report. Self-report.
I tell my clients to be honest with the court. And
He had how many? He had at least 3 today, if not 4, and it's probably because of the same reason you mentioned earlier.
going to be honest too. He's gonna plead today, but I didn't get the plea forms in also on time. So that was also my way of apologizing to him that we were gonna have to start. That was bad. So I'd ask for an adjournment, Your Honor. Please.
I mean, that was funny.
What?
It is.
It's because she didn't have GIS.
That's exactly why, yeah.
You know, if I really didn't like you, I'd just say no to all of that.
I'm sorry, it's totally my fault.
I know, but you also have been going since very early this morning, 200 case docket. And if a couple mistakes are, what?
It's really hot here.
200 case docket. Man, I mean, you could tell Simpson's robe is like 12 inches down. They're starting to get slap happy. Who knows? There could be some magic in the last 3 minutes here.
Everyone agrees.
All right.
Is that how you're sorry?
Miss Verity.
I like that. Okay, well.
It's okay.
Look at that face.
Okay. All is forgiven.
Thank you.
What I will do is we will adjourn his case to, will the 17th work better? Get everything straight, or you want the 3rd?
The third is great.
September 3rd.
Thank you.
We gotta get this done before she starts confessing to things we can't do anything about. Court calls the case, People versus Shanti Taylor.
Your Honor, this is an arraignment trial.
Oh, of course it is.
But there's no need.
Order to show cause.